Welcome to Continuous Improvement, the podcast where we explore the latest technologies and strategies for enhancing your organization's infrastructure. I'm your host, Victor, and in today's episode, we'll be diving into the world of secrets management and authentication with HashiCorp Vault and Kubernetes. As organizations embrace containerization and orchestration technologies like Kubernetes, the need to manage secrets and ensure secure access to sensitive data becomes paramount. That's where HashiCorp Vault comes in. Today, we'll be focusing on one specific authentication method offered by HashiCorp Vault, the Kubernetes Auth method. Let's start by understanding the role of Auth methods in HashiCorp Vault. Auth methods handle authentication and authorization tasks, assigning identities and policies to users. When it comes to the Kubernetes Auth method, HashiCorp Vault delegates the authentication decisions to Kubernetes, leveraging Kubernetes Service Account Tokens. So, how does the Kubernetes Auth method work exactly? Well, it enables authentication using Kubernetes Service Account Tokens. This approach simplifies the process of introducing HashiCorp Vault tokens into Kubernetes pods, providing convenient and secure access to secrets for applications running in a Kubernetes environment. During the authentication process, HashiCorp Vault interacts with the Kubernetes Token Review API to validate the provided JWT or JSON Web Token. This validation occurs not only during initial authentication but also for subsequent token renewals. This ensures that tokens issued by HashiCorp Vault remain valid until renewal or user re-authentication occurs. Now, let's discuss how to configure Kubernetes for seamless integration with HashiCorp Vault using the Kubernetes Auth method. To enable this method in HashiCorp Vault, certain configurations are required. For instance, service accounts used for authentication should have access to the Kubernetes Token Review API. By ensuring appropriate back roles and permissions, organizations can ensure a smooth and secure authentication process. To give you an example, on the HashiCorp Vault side, you can enable the Kubernetes Auth method using the command vault auth enable Kubernetes. Then, you'll need to configure the roles, bound service account name, bound service account namespace, and the policy. On the Kubernetes cluster side, you'll need to set up a cluster role binding to grant the necessary authentication permissions. So, what are the benefits of using the HashiCorp Vault Kubernetes Auth method? Firstly, it simplifies the integration process by leveraging Kubernetes Service Account Tokens. Developers can authenticate and access secrets from within their pods without dealing with complex authentication logic. Secondly, this authentication method enhances security by utilizing Kubernetes Service Account Tokens, which are automatically rotated and managed by Kubernetes. By leveraging these tokens, HashiCorp Vault ensures that only authorized applications and users can access the secrets, strengthening the overall security of the infrastructure. Finally, the Kubernetes Auth method allows organizations to centralize their secrets management in HashiCorp Vault while seamlessly integrating with Kubernetes. This enables teams to adhere to security best practices, such as regular secret rotation, auditing access, and enforcing fine-grained access controls. In conclusion, the HashiCorp Vault Kubernetes Auth method offers a streamlined and secure approach to authenticate and access secrets within Kubernetes environments. By leveraging Kubernetes Service Account Tokens and integrating with the Kubernetes Token Review API, HashiCorp Vault simplifies the authentication process and provides centralized secrets management. This authentication method empowers organizations to enhance their security posture while leveraging the benefits of both HashiCorp Vault and Kubernetes in a cohesive manner. That's all for today's episode of Continuous Improvement. I hope you found our exploration of the HashiCorp Vault Kubernetes Auth method insightful and valuable. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to join us next time as we continue our journey towards improving your organization's infrastructure. Closing music ends.